Cobalt is a critical element. It cannot be substituted by any other element. It's there in industrial tools. It's there in the batteries that we make for having cars drive on the road. Electrification, decarbonization of transport. We are the largest transformer of cobalt actually outside of China. And that is basically the reason why we have a representation here at the Cobalt Conference. And the Cobalt Institute is there to convene members, to give a platform to the cobalt industry to discuss environment, health and safety issues. And so cooperation is really key. The occupational exposure limit is really critical for protection of people at the workplace. So we are all for protecting people at the workplace. But if you divide the value by 2, it gets hard. And so the consequence could be that some of the cobalt users will step away from it because it becomes very difficult or not impossible to actually comply with the legal limit value on the workplace.